If we look back to a few moments in history, the US invaded Iraq in March 2003. Stocks rose 2.3% the following day and finished the year with a gain of more than 30% from that point on. In saying this, markets don't always respond to geopolitical events in the way that is anticipated. It is well known that markets move in a cyclical nature. The movements in the markets have been exacerbated due to current global events, giving rise to significant volatility since the beginning of the recent pandemic. We've seen the impact that COVID-19 has had on supply chains in nearly every industry, the flow-on effects that has on retailers and ultimately customers across all sectors. It cannot be understated. Take lumber as an example. We saw an extraordinary figure with prices rallying over 400% in just 12 months. This is not a standalone figure in the commodity market either. The conflict in Ukraine has added fuel to that fire, and we have seen a significant increase in the commodity market. We are seeing the trade ties between Russia and the West disintegrate in front of our eyes, and it seems this is only the beginning of the shift in our global trade markets. Only recently, the materials sector posted its biggest fall since May 2020, due mostly to fears arising from Beijing's tough COVID-19 lockdown restrictions, shredding forecasts for China's economic growth. The need for urgent and more intensive actions against climate change is broadly recognised. Renewable energy is undoubtedly the buzzword and hot topic of late. It seems that many countries are now in competition to be the first to proclaim to the world that they are on target to net zero or they're the next global hydrogen superpower. It's understandable when we look at this from an economic perspective. The level of attention given to the green economy in the past 10 to 15 years has rapidly increased, and people are likening the use of hydrogen as the next oil. Therefore, the impact the global events will have on years to come on the already strained supply chains cannot be overstated. To learn more about investing in renewables, click the link in the description.